Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process, you will need the following tools: a heat gun, a plastic opening tool, a Phillips screwdriver, and a suction cup. Make sure you have a clean workspace ready. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 4 completely. This ensures safety while working on the device. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will loosen the adhesive that holds the screen in place. Be cautious and avoid overheating any area. Keep the heat gun moving. Once the edges are warm, take your suction cup and place it near the corner of the screen. Pull the suction cup to create a small gap. Insert the plastic opening tool into the gap and gently slide it around the edge to separate the screen from the body. If you encounter resistance, apply more heat to soften the adhesive. Carefully lift the screen away from the body, but be mindful of the ribbon cable connecting the screen to the motherboard. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cable connector. If you're unsure about performing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the ribbon cable from the motherboard. Now, you can fully remove the damaged screen. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure optimal performance once the new screen is installed. Now, take your new screen and align it with the connectors. Carefully reconnect the ribbon cable to the motherboard and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and properly connected. To reattach the screen, carefully position it back onto the body of the Surface Pro 4. Press down around the edges to ensure a tight seal. If you find it challenging to hold everything in place, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. Once the screen is secured, it's time to power on your device. Check for any display issues. If everything looks good, your replacement is successful. However, if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We can provide a quote before any repair work is undertaken, ensuring you're informed about the next steps. In conclusion, replacing the screen on your Surface Pro 4 doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and careful attention to detail, you can restore your device to its former glory. If you don't have the tools or would prefer professional help, remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple pickup and delivery service right to your home, making it convenient and hassle-free for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.